You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English, and also how it's said in its language of origin, Spanish of course. This is from Spanish originally. Marisol. Mari is from Maria, which is Mary, as in Virgin, the Mother Mary of Virgin Mary. Mari, and Sol is the sun, or it's also from Soledad, which is a saint, Maria de la Soledad. Marisol. Marisol is the Spanish pronunciation. In English, however, it's usually pronounced as Marisol. Marisol. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.